Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, January 5th. Seeing some cloudy skies out there this morning. Once again, very similar to what we saw yesterday morning. We're going to continue to see cloudy skies throughout the day, and then seeing a chance of some isolated to widely scattered showers for this afternoon. And high temperatures should remain in the low 40s. Take a look at our surface analysis across the region. We do have this weak low across the portions of the western mid-Atlantic, as well as this low still lingering off of the northeast coast. We are going to continue to see a little bit of shortwave energy streaming across the area this afternoon. That's going to help to promote some shower activity, only running around a 40% chance of some isolated to widely scattered showers for this afternoon, which should end around 8 p.m. or so, and then we'll see clouds slowly clear out over the overnight hours. Taking a look at our satellite this morning, there you see the abundant cloud cover across pretty much the entire mid-Atlantic, with overcast conditions across the northern half of the mid-Atlantic region. And we are going to continue to see clouds, like I said, throughout the day today, and that's also going to hamper our high temperatures, only seeing highs get into the lower to mid-40s. Taking a look at our upper level winds this morning, seeing northwesterly winds at the surface fairly light, only running around 3 to 8 knots or so up through about 3,000 feet. Then shifting westerly across the remainder of the column. Still seeing winds pretty light though, only running around 15 to 20 knots from 6,000 up to around 20,000 feet. And then up to 25 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Freezing level this morning is just above 2,000 feet. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be looking at a high of 45 degrees early this afternoon. And we're going to be seeing those northwesterly winds slowly increase throughout the day today, becoming 5 to 10 knots by the mid to late afternoon period. Then 7 to 12 knots near sunset, increasing to around 8 to 13 knots after midnight tonight. And we are going to see those low temperatures still be a little bit mild for this time of year, running just above freezing for our pre-dawn hours tomorrow. Like I said, going to be seeing some isolated shower activity. It does look like our showers are done for the morning hours here. We did see some sprinkles earlier, and we will see showers ramp up again, though, once we get to the afternoon hours. Not expecting a whole lot of an accumulation, maybe 100th or 200ths of an inch at the very most. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, going to continue to see overcast conditions around 4,000 feet through lunchtime. Then seeing those ceilings drop to around 2,000 to 3,000 feet once we get towards the mid-afternoon, especially in any shower activity with scattered to broken deck near 1,000 to 1,500 feet. As we go on to tonight, we're going to be seeing those clouds clear out once we get past midnight, especially becoming few at 4,000 and then broken 7,500, broken at 25,000, and by sunrise seeing just a few clouds at 4,000 feet, scattered at 7,000, scattered at 25,000. We are still seeing tides about 1 foot or so above normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Let's take a look at some model guidance to show you how these showers will be progressing throughout the day. This is around lunchtime. We should start to see those showers pop up across the region and increase, and then by mid-afternoon seeing that best chance for some isolated to widely scattered shower activity here across the central Delmarva. Showers will continue throughout the late afternoon, and then running around 8 p.m., which is this hour, we'll start to see those showers really fall apart and dissipate, and then clouds will be decreasing as we go through the overnight hours, becoming partly cloudy by tomorrow. Taking a look at our longer range model here, there's those showers that we're going to get this afternoon. As we go into tomorrow, we're going to get some drier air moving to the area as we see this high pressure building across the Great Lakes, and that's going to help to continue to give us chilly temperatures, but we are going to be seeing at least a little bit more sunshine out there. It's not going to really have an impact on our high temperature, though. Still expecting that high only to get into the mid-40s for tomorrow and Thursday. Going to continue to see dry weather Thursday as high pressure remains in control. You see that high pressure remaining across the eastern Great Lakes region. That's going to continue to draw in some drier air into the area, as well as keeping our skies partly cloudy. We're going to start to see late Thursday maybe some upper level cirrus increase across the region, and really thicken in advance of our next weather system that we're keeping an eye on. That's going to be this low here that's going to be swinging across underneath the base of this high pressure, and that's going to be targeting our region, mainly the southern portions of the mid-Atlantic. Still a little bit of uncertainty with this system as it will approach our area on Friday, and we'll see clouds increase throughout the day in advance of that, maybe a sprinkle or two by Friday afternoon. But if we do see any precipitation with this, it isn't going to be until Friday night, and still a little bit of a question on exactly what the precipitation type will be. Models aren't quite agreeing on how much cold air will be drawn into the area with this, or if maybe it'll even remain south of the Delmarva and not give us anything at all. So still a lot of question marks, and depending on what model you look at, still haven't seen any agreement with this system. But it is possible we could be seeing a little bit of snow across the region. Right now, indications that if we do see any snow, only going to be around a ½ inch to an inch at the most, and more likely up towards the Salisbury area, as that might be where the colder air is located, with us here along the coast not seeing quite as much. But like I said, still a lot of questions and uncertainty, and not really... hopefully will be more certain here over the next day or two as this energy comes ashore across the western United States. So taking a deeper look into our weekend, we are going to be seeing some chillier temperatures this weekend, depending on no matter what this system does, we are going to be seeing some drier air moving in behind it. So expect some partly cloudy to even mostly sunny skies for Saturday and Sunday, as well as some chilly temperatures across the region. We're only going to be seeing those temperatures get into the low 40s, perhaps even around 40 degrees or so, maybe even struggling to get above there for Sunday. And then as we go into early next week, we're going to be seeing another system approach the region from the south, and then perhaps another chance of maybe some more wintry weather once again for early next week. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, going to be looking at those isolated showers this afternoon, high of 45. Wednesday and Thursday going to be very similar days, partly cloudy both days, high of only around 44. We're going to see the low drop to around seasonable levels once again Thursday with a low of 29. Low of 29 once again Friday morning, and then another day with a high of 44 under mostly cloudy skies. And like I said, still watching that system, possibly giving us some rain Friday night, or maybe even some snow across some portions of the Delmarva. Still, like I said, a lot of uncertainty. Hopefully we'll be able to nail down those details a little bit more tomorrow. But still keeping an eye on that. Saturday is going to be partly cloudy with any precipitation moving out of the area by the morning, and then seeing that drier air quickly clear out the cloud cover. But you can see those chilly high temperatures for Saturday and Sunday, only getting around 40 degrees with lows down into the mid-20s. And then Monday, seeing those temperatures still in the low 40s, and that low temperature dipping below 30 degrees under partly to mostly cloudy skies, and we could possibly see a sprinkle late Monday. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.